InSite Elevation includes powerful tools to overcome the challenges estimators and model builders face when combining data from multiple sources. Users can easily work from PDF, CAD, drone, and Google Earth data simultaneously using Elevation's segmented workspace. In this Takeoff, 4 aligned workspaces are shown. This includes the Takeoff, PDF, Google Earth image, and the triangulated 3D. When the cursor moves in one panel, a coordinated cursor moves across the surfaces in all the other panels, including the 3D. Tabbed behind the Google Earth image is a CAD file. The zoom can easily be changed on each view using the roller wheel on a mouse. The highlighted sidebars allow specific layers to be toggled on or off on the CAD, PDF, and Takeoff. The panels can be arranged, nested, and dragged to additional monitors to create the most efficient means of combining data from multiple sources. With the CAD file aligned to the Takeoff and other data sources, the CAD coordinate system becomes the default for the job. This allows data export to all GPS machine control systems, including Caterpillar, Leica, Topcon, Trimble, and Komatsu. These are just a few of the many great features that make work in InSite Elevation faster, easier, and more accurate. To learn more about our workspace management system and other time-saving features included with InSite Elevation, call or visit our website.